dig and delve. Some of the rhyming is a little, I don't know how much it rhymes, but we'll try our best. 13, 14, pigs a-snorting. Can you make your pig snorting noises?
Going, 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 going.
Going. That's exactly right. 15, 16, in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, they need chocolate covered strawberries. 17, 18, all awaiting. We're so hungry. What will the food be? I hope the dessert is just for me. 19, 20, it's a party. So much fun, giggles and glee. But where, oh where can those little chicks be? Where are the chicks? Let's see if we can find them. There they are! Look at the cake! Rabbit says, close your eyes.